How to check for the Galaxy System App update on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. Make sure your Samsung Galaxy app update with the latest software version or any update. To check it, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app, scroll down up to security and privacy. Again scroll down until you can see the more security settings. Tap on it. At the end of the screen, you can find the Galaxy System App update. Tap on it. Make sure to toggle on this option to update Samsung automatically on to improve the security and performance on your latest Samsung S25 series or any other Samsung device. You can also enable or disable use Wi-Fi only feature to quickly install the app update. Also see the Galaxy system apps. Here you can see the list of application by Galaxy on your device. So make sure to toggle on this option and tap on a check for updates to check available update on your latest Samsung S25 series. If available update, update it to secure your phone data. That's it. If you like it, share it.